Back.
Don't worry about that. All right, so we have a game to play, and we're gonna do a little siblings tag game. So Debbie and Rebecca may have known each other all their lives, but it may surprise you how little they may know about each other and can serve as a way to relive some of their best moments together. I'll ask the questions and they will have to answer. So let's go. But before we start, before we came on, Debbie was giving Rebecca, I said Becky.
No, that's fine. Becky's trying to.
Giving her heart about her here. And I listened to them, I'm like, yo, sibling rivalry and sibling love is a whole lot of fun.
Oh, whatever.
Rebecca, good morning.
Good morning.
All right, so
Rebecca Bissoon, whatever you say will be used against you in the court of sibling, all right?
Sibling,
so you may not,
sibling court.
you may not get an invitation back to the host.
You have my back.
Okay, all
So,
right, good.
yeah, I see this. All right, so the first question is, who is older?
Debbie.
Who you want to answer that, me?
No.
Okay.
You older?
Yes, I mean, if we...
No.
You almost jerk your extra look at it. Of course, I'm older. Let Becky tell you how old we are apart, though. Like how, big a gap it is.
We're 10 years apart.
10?
Yeah, we're 10 years apart.
All of 10 years apart.
Exactly 10 years apart.
All right, I think I could answer this question. Who has the best hair?
I have the best hair.
Yeah.
Okay?
I have the best hair.
No habla foolishness. What?
I
have the best hair.
why you say you have the best hair?
Hair.
Why you say you have the best hair? Becky with the best hair.
Please zoom in on our hair, please. We both have the same hair. Actually, we both have the same hair. And in fact, I think Becky have the better hair. Let me tell you why.
It's just that my curls are a little bit tighter than
Yes,
hers.
her curls, like if she goes to the beach and come back, oh my God, like it looks almost like a wig.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I always love her hair. So she
The
does have the better
frontal.
hair.
The natural frontal.
Yeah.
All right, so who has the best sense of style?
Debbie.
I can agree.
Say it
with
again, honey. Say it again. Let them hear you in the back.
that. Yeah, you also say Debbie's
Debbie.
Crocs.
I'm more of a tomboy. Debbie is the girly girl, dressy type. I'm a tomboy.
You're not. You have dress up times too. Stop the foolishness. She does. She have times when she dress up as well. But let me tell you something. I'm gonna like with Becky. She can read a closet. Listen to me. When she come in our house. When she comes to me and she go in the closet, oh wow, this is nice. Oh, this not fitting no more. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is.
I love going to her house.
Yes, because she go through. What I love doing as well, I love buying her stuff because I'll see things and I'm like, yeah, man, Beck, I love this. So yeah.
Yeah.
Did you guys fight a lot when you were sisters?
I
You fought a lot?
don't think we
When we
fought
were
a
younger.
lot.
When we were younger.
Did we?
Yeah, we always argue a lot.
Let me tell you why. I did want one brother, and mommy got have one girl. And I wasn't excited, because I was supposed to be the only girl same way. You understand? Because my older brother is the only boy now, and I wanted another brother so that I could be the only girl, right? But instead, she gonna have a girl. And then Becky was always, you know, when you have a little sibling, them always there back at you everywhere you go.
Yeah.
I do everything with you.
Yeah.
And it just did annoying sometimes. But, you know, I fell in love with her over time.
I like that. Who has the biggest?
Recently, in recent times.
Who? Okay. So, all right. I think I got to stray away from this a little bit. So you both are mothers.
Yes.
What's that been like as sister and mother?
No, you're going to make me cry.
What's that been like?
You're going to make me cry now
Okay,
because...
we want to first, Debbie or me?
No, I'll go with you, Rebecca, first.
I don't know what I'd do without her. Y'all gonna make me cry.
No, seriously, you're going to make me cry, honestly.
I don't know what I'd do without Debbie. I feel like this journey in motherhood, it's new to me, and I had some experience with my nephew, but just having your own child is a whole different thing, is a whole different experience. There are times when I was going through postpartum anxiety, and it was just really rough. I remember when coming from the hospital, I could not hold Amir. I was just bawling. I couldn't, and Debbie was like, give me a rest, because it was very rough for me, and I just could not, like, I love you. I love you so much.
No, and the funniest thing is that she was the same thing for me because motherhood was a new journey for me. And I remember because I started working very early after I had Sai, and
couple weeks
yeah, a
after.
couple weeks after I had Sai, I started working again, and she literally came to stay with me, and she would do the night shifts because I would have to leave for work early in the morning.
Yeah.
So she and Sai actually grew very close. I remember waking up in the night and seeing them all cuddle up with each other, and you know, like they became best of friends.
That
But
is my best friend.
I've said this so many times that, and it's very true, I do not think I could have been okay without her. Honestly, like it's, whew, God.
Girl, we about to cry.
Yeah, and even though it has
It's
had
too
its
early to
challenges.
cry.
No,
Come on,
seriously,
man.
like this the show just starts. Why are we crying? Anyways, you know, even though we still have to call each other, and we try to be each other's strengths, and even though, you know, even if we don't have the answers right away, we try to figure it out with each other. But she is my best friend, no lie. Yeah.
I love that. I kind of went out from the questions.
Okay, what's the question? Sorry.
Who has the best singing voice? I want to know that. Easy.
Me.
Yeah,
Well, she can't sing too. Don't let her trick you, you know. She can't sing, you know. She have some pipes. She
Let me tell
can't
you how it
sing.
really and truly go do it. Let me tell you, because I was older, right? I was always singing in the church.
So give you a
Let me tell you how
piece.
it
No,
really
give you a
go.
piece right then.
Huh?
Give you a piece right.
No, that's
No,
not,
man, no,
I'm hired as a host. I'm
Come on,
contracted
No,
as a
man.
host.
Me a-
No.
me a beg a
I don't
favor.
go off
Me a beg a
contract.
favor.
I'm
Me a-
contracted
me-
as a
me a
host,
brethren.
and my producer has
Me a
employed
beg
me
a
as a
favor.
host.
As a brethren, I'm begging you
Off
a favor.
air, when you and I are only there, we'll sing. But anyways, as I was saying, you know, I used to sing in church a lot, and she used to watch me singing, and so she decided that she wanted to sing as well. I remember, you know, because we are siblings, so we laugh after each other, so she got to go sing at church, and me I said, what should I do? But then when she started singing, oh my God, her voice was big, and you know, she is amazing. I am actually very, I'm very, you know, excited.
Yeah.
Very excited to see what she's going to be doing in the music industry because, yeah, she have a big, bright future ahead of her. So,
Yeah, I love that. And I just saw some pictures. I'm going to ask you that after the pictures.
Oh, yes.
these
Oh,
are
no.
nice.
Oh, no. Why would they find that picture? Take it down.
Touch your
That is
knees.
me holding
Don't
her.
touch your
That is me holding her.
Oh, these are nice.
Those are not nice. They're embarrassing.
So, so this is the next thing I want to ask
Oh,
about.
God.
Being farmers.
Being farm chicks.
Yeah, farm chicks.
Yeah.
What's that been like for you as sisters?
Well, we grew up with our parents, you know, very heavily involved in farming because, you know, we grew up in a Clarendon, we grew up in a country, so there's always something being planted in the back of the yard. Even though we still have chickens. So farming has been very integral in our lives, and so we wanted to do this in a way where we can inspire young people and even more so women, you know, to get involved in farming on a larger scale, and we're breaking it down. So we're doing it together as a family because farming, I believe, is fun when you have, you know, people who, you know, you're either family with or you love or you enjoy doing things with.
Yeah.
So is that whole dynamics of her, you know, Becky being Becky, me being me, and working out all the kinks of learning some things that we did not know before. And we break it down in ways that you could actually go and replicate it after you watch it. So yeah, we're working on that.
I like that. Becky, can you describe your sister in 3 words?
3 words. Like that's limited amount of words, man. I need more words than 3 words.
Take 5.
that
Take
bad.
5. Take 5.
It's not bad. It's actually really good.
Let me get 2 more.
Technical. She's very technical.
Jesus.
Amen.
Mercy.
Very technical. She's a workaholic. And she is.
Gee, Beck, tell me how you really feel.
She's a beautiful person inside and out. That's what I can say. Like once you get to know her, she's just a bundle of sunshine. She's amazing. I tell people all the time that my sister is really and truly my inspiration on a day-to-day basis. So, yeah.
Love you, Mama.
I love you too, boo.
You're not gonna ask me for words to describe her too?
Yeah.
I may have some.
I'm going to ask you because I saw we're going to close it.
I have some very, very nice words.
I saw we're going to close it.
Rincon Fiesty. Fiesty, go Fiesty, come back. My mother can attest to it that Becky is the unfiltered child. Like, she's the one who will speak her mind. and she's not afraid at all. She's a very brave girl, and I love that about her. Like, she's super brave in that regard. And, you know, she loves to have fun. And sometimes she'll say to me, Debbie, Lord, you know, I forget so technical and think I'll go have fun. And, you know, Lord, yeah, kill my vibes with all these technical things. Come on, if I go have fun. So I love that about her because she's the kind of balance that I need.
I forgot, buzzkill was one. Buzzkill is like...
I cannot study sometimes, you know, honestly. I'm not a buzz killer, okay? I can be an overthinker because I love to plan out things, you know what I mean? So, yeah, and I think she's just a really lovable person as well. She gets very sentimental about things sometimes, especially that has to do with other people. So she tends to absorb that kind of energy sometimes. So, yeah, but I love her.
Awesome.
She my girl, man. She my girl.
I love this. Thanks so much, Rebecca.
It was my pleasure.
And happy
Thank
siblings.
you for having me, guys, this morning.
Go make Amir's breakfast now, Beck.
That's exactly. I don't know if you guys can hear him in the background. He's like, mommy, mommy, mommy. He wants
Hungry
food.
time now.
Gotta go.
Yeah, happy siblings day to everyone, my
you.
2 sisters as well.
Thank you, guys. Happy siblings.
Yeah, Yannick, Natasha, happy siblings day, guys.
Love you, Becca. See you soon. Now, guys. We're going to be looking at how to use massage for weight loss. Now, this must be my whole show because sibling love to massage and weight loss is my own. This comes after the break. Weekend Smile continues after this.